So today I'm going to show you how to insert, update and delete data in database in PHP and MySQL database. Since a newer version of Apache and PHP do not support MySQL extension, I'll be using MySQL. So MySQL is improved version of MySQL. So let's move to our tutorial video. First of all, make sure that your Apache server and MySQL database is up and running. If you are using Windows, you can use XAMPP. If you are using Linux, you can use XAMPP. Or if you are using Mac, then you can use MAMP. If you haven't installed any of these, then you can download XAMPP. I will put the link to download XAMPP in my description below. So I'll start my Apache server and MySQL. So my Apache server and MySQL database is up and running. Then I'll create a root folder or project folder in my local disk where I have installed my XAMPP. So double click and I have installed XAMPP on local disk C. So I will go to XAMPP and htdocs and create a new folder here. I'll give its name test, and to do this project I'll be using a text editor called PHP Designer 8. You can use any text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text. So I'll open my text editor and link my project folder in my text editor. So this is PHP Designer 8. So I will just link my project. So go to right click on personal project and new and link to local folder, then PC, then local disk C, then XAMPP, then htdocs, then test. Okay, I have linked my project in my text editor. So I will just create a new file that will be this file, and I will create a file called index.php. So first of all, I will just design UI for my project. It will be a simple design where we will insert first name and last name and then show it in the same file. To edit the data, we'll create a new file. So let's create a HTML document. Doc type HTML, then HTML head, title, insert, update and delete in PHP and MySQL. Then body, header, class header, delete, then division. I'll give its class main. So adding, I'll write inside s2 tag, last name, then s2 listing all the names, and then footer, all rights reserved, and copy and copy 2017 to Vijetapa. So let's look how our HTML file looks like. So just go to the browser. I'm using Chrome browser, so let's localhost 18. I have changed the port in my XAMPP. If you haven't changed your port, then it will be just localhost slash your file, that is folder test. I have changed the port, so I will have to give colon 81. So this is how our project looks like.